All right. What do you call it? A Granite with Typhon wheels. Okay. That was a hard slap. Oh well. Oof. Let's try that again. That looked pretty good. All right, hopefully it's in the frame. That feels really cool. If anybody's seen any of my other videos, I did a video on the ZD shocks, and these are still them. Ooh, wrong way, Phil. Don't need a lawnmower here with these tires. Let's do it again. That was kind of cool. I don't know if it hopefully got in the frame. Not bad. That is fun. Let's do it again. Something's rubbing. I think maybe something broke. Let's do it again. Hey. Okay, no pedestrians. That's good. I don't know. Will it do a backflip? I really like this gap here. It's pretty fun. Good way to warm up. I've never driven this truck like this, except for that. More so in this direction. Hello. Awesome, man. This thing flying well. I just love how smooth that feels in the concrete. A little confused. A little brake instead of throttle. Ooh, hello. My chassis left a mark there. You're really not on the throttle a whole lot. All right, let's do something different. Yeah, I don't think this thing will do a backflip. We don't have enough mass on those wheels. That's why I was excited to drive the Typhon today. Really excited. I wonder. So today hopefully will just be some long or high. Whoa! I lost it. Look at the power though, so fun. Ooh.